Hi everyone. So today we will cover maximum product subarray. I am Shranshan. So this is our problem statement. Given an integer array nums, we need to find a subarray that has the largest product and we need to return that product. Let's build the intuition. So we have some cases which we need to figure out how to do that and then we will reach to our solution. So what if all the elements in our array are positive? Then the maximum product subarray will be the product of all the elements itself. What if negative elements are there but they are even? So if they are even, the even number of negatives will cancel out each other, and again the answer would be the product of all the elements of array itself. And what if the elements which are negative are odd? So in that case, we need to remove one of the negative element. Which one should we remove? Let's see. So if we remove -1, either this is our answer or this is our answer. And if we remove -3, so our answer would be either this or this. And similarly, if we remove -2, this is our answer. So from these cases, what we understood is we just need to find the max of prefix product or the suffix product at a given index, and if we iterate it from start to end, we will just get our answer. So there is a edge case if some element is 0, like in this array we have a 0 here. So you can see it like as a multiple subarrays which are partitioned by 0, because if we take 0 in our subarray product, the whole product will be 0, so we can't take it. What we see in the last approach, like we just taking the prefix and the suffix product, it won't be applicable here because 0 will just nullify it. So we need to find some way to solve this thing. One way is, if we get element 0 in our product, we will reset the product to 1. So like example, we are doing it for this index and we are at 4 into 0, 0. After that we will just reset the product to 1 so that we can take this 4. Otherwise we won't be able to take it. So what we learned, we just need to find the prefix and suffix product, and the max of that for every index will return our answer. And if the product becomes 0, we just reset the product to 1. So this is our pseudocode. We start iterating from first element till last element. The prefix is storing the product of the first I elements. Suffix stores the product of last I elements. And if while iterating somehow the prefix or suffix becomes 0, we just reset it to 1 to start the new subarray. And for each iteration we are storing the max of prefix product and suffix product in our answer. Thanks for watching. Hope you will like it. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe to view more content like this.